previous session we have discussed how to divide a trinomial with a binomial. Today we are going to learn how to divide a polynomial containing 4 terms. I mean a polynomial containing 4 or 5 terms with a binomial. Okay. So for that we will take one example. 2x square. So 2x power 4. 2x power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. So this is a polynomial containing how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 terms. How to divide this polynomial containing 5 terms or 4 terms or 5 terms? I am taking 5 terms. You can take 4 terms or like that. Okay? With a binomial of the form x minus x square minus 2. So this is a special type of polynomial. So this is a special case. So let us see. 2x power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 is divided with x square minus 2. Okay. So as usual, step 1. Okay, first term of this dividend is divided with first term of the divisor, 2x power 4 by x square. Okay, so here x square, x power 4, 2x's will be cancelled, that becomes 2x square. So keep here 2x square. As usual, 2x square into this binomial. 2x square into x square minus 2. That becomes 2x power 4 minus 2x square, isn't it? So minus 4x square. Not 2x square. 2x square into 2, 4x square. Okay, 2x square into x square, 2x power 4 minus 2 into 2, 4, 4x square. So how do you place it? 2x power 4. This is x cube. So where we have to place this x square? Underneath 3x square. That becomes 4x square. So this place will be vacant because we have to simplify like terms with like terms. So here this is an unlike term. Because this is an x square should be placed under x square. So this place is vacant. This place is empty. So as usual, minus. Here nothing will be there, plus cancels, minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 4x square, that becomes plus x square. Now take down the next term, that becomes plus 6x. Step 2. Again, minus 3x cube is divided with x square. Minus 3x cube is divided with x square. Okay, x square, x cube. 2 x's will be cancelled. That becomes minus 3x. So place minus 3x here. Okay, as usual, minus 3x is multiplied with x square minus 2. So here that becomes minus into plus minus 3x cube, x into x square, x cube, minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6 x. So how we should place this here? Minus 3x cube plus x term should be kept under x term, that becomes 6x. So here this place will be vacant. So plus minus 3x cube plus 3x cube will be cancelled. So x square minus 6x plus 6x cancels. So take down the next term, that becomes minus 2. Again, step 3. Step 3. X square divided with x square is equal to 1. So that means plus 1. 1 into anything is same. So 1 into x square minus 2, x square minus x square minus 2. Okay, so here this becomes minus, this becomes plus. Plus x square minus x square will be cancelled. Minus 2 plus 2 will be cancelled. So the remainder will be 0. Okay, like that. So let us verify. Let us verify whether our division is right or wrong. Okay. So for polynomials, we have to take px as the dividend and gx as the divisor. Px is the dividend. Okay, dividend is denoted with px. Okay, and divisor is denoted with divisor. Divisor is denoted with gx. Qx is the quotient. Quotient, and Rx is the remainder. Okay, Rx is the remainder. Okay, so here, so let us write. So here we write. Okay, Px is equal to, Px is the dividend. So this is the dividend. So that is equal to 2x power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. And next one is gx. Gx is nothing but divisor. X square minus 2. Quotient qx. What is qx? This is the quotient. Answer is the quotient. 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Remainder Rx is equal to 0. Okay. Now let us verify. So what is the division rule? Okay. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So there is a rule. Okay. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so this is the division rule. That means for verify whether our division is right or wrong, so it should satisfy. So this one. Okay, so what is the dividend? Dividend is px and divisor is gx into qx plus rx. So px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. Okay, like that you take px 2x power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 is equal to gx x square minus 2 into quotient 2x square minus 3x plus 1 plus remainder 0. Okay, let us see whether LHS equal to RHS or not. So here we have to simplify. We have to simplify RHS. Now x square into 2x square minus 3x plus 1 minus 2 into 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Just ignore plus 0. Okay. 0. Anything plus 0 is same. Okay. So x square into 2x square 2x power 4 minus x square into 3x 3x square 3x cube plus x square into 1 x square. Next, minus into plus minus 2 2s are 4x square minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6x minus into plus minus 2 1s are 2. Here simplify the rectums. What are the rectums here? 2x power 4 minus 3x cube. For 2x x power 4 no rectums are there. For x cube no rectums are there. What about x square? X square minus 4x square. So these two should be simplified. That becomes minus 3x square because they are rectums plus x term. No x terms are there. 6x minus 2. So LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So this is LHS. Okay. LHS and this is RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verify. Like that, we can divide and verify. Okay, a polynomial with a polynomial. That means a polynomial with monomial. Sorry, polynomial with binomial. Any polynomial. Polynomial containing any terms with a binomial. Okay. So hope you understood this. Thank you very much. Keep subscribing to Praveen Tutorials. Thank you.